Hello, hello, hello. I'm back, and I'm back for good. What's this little thing here? Oh, ah, ah. All right. Always, is that a thing with women and hair? I mean, that's why I bought this hat, so I don't have to deal with my hair. It's just driving me crazy. Hair drives me crazy. You put color in it, you don't. You brush it, you don't brush it, and it's always driving you nuts. Anyway, that's not the question I was going to ask today. The question I was going to ask today is, how do you feel about feminism? What do you think about feminism? Are you feminist? Well, I am, and that's what I'm teaching at McGill, but it's amazing how young women today are so confused, and maybe there's too many books about it, and women don't know how to project themselves anymore to what they want to be. So that's the question. How do you feel about feminism? I know I do. I'm feminist, and don't you think I'm not? I don't care how people think of me. I don't care if they think I'm not sexy, because I think I'm sexy, and that's the most important. You see, if you have good self-esteem, then you feel good about yourself. Have a good day.